got 4 kids. I'm a homeschool mom, and we've lived here the last 15 years.
A family like this who's had trouble with their well since 2007.
Our biggest issue was just not having enough. I mean,
Yeah.
only 11 foot of water in that well, so I mean, you're constantly running low.
The well is a shallow well, and so it was already supposed to be deeper, but it's just kind of gotten more shallow over time.
The pressure definitely was not what it should have been. I even ran an additional line myself from the well house to the house trying to increase the pressure just to see if that would solve anything.
Had excessive amounts of iron in their filter. Every time they clean it out, the water's red.
But you can see it. That's the water that's coming out of the well directly.
Every time you go through a filter, it reduces the flow.
Yeah.
So I've got the 2 filters there, so it was constantly just, you could tell if you would flush the toilet and the shower would be running, and then I'd have to come outside, well, let me change the filters real quick, because you could tell the water would just start dropping. And
Feeling helpless and not being able to fix it myself. Filters and charcoal filters, and the filters aren't enough. You've got to dig deeper to get that fresh, clean water for your home.
it was actually pulling like flakes, like red flakes out of the water.
Was it iron or what?
Yeah, that's what they said.
Yeah.
Creason said he'd never seen iron deposits that bad.
That's crazy.
I worry about my kids. What else are they being exposed to? And we live in the middle of a swamp, and there's, road runoff and all of those kind of things. So I think I've been worried for a long time about your water is not supposed to be brown.
There's so much teamwork here. There's people here pitching in so many different ways.
More sweepers, sand blocks, a paint mixer.
There's a ton of people that do this every day, and we appreciate them. We appreciate the folks at Xylem and Water Well Trust. We appreciate the folks that drill the well, down to the people who provide some of the materials, and just there's so many people chipping in. It's just like any programming we do. We don't do it alone. Partnership's so important to us.
I have never seen water quality to this level in terms of contamination, dirt load content. Just have never seen that experience. And I gotta tell you, just connecting with Chris, Jennifer, and the family, tremendous family. This family is well deserving of getting some support.
What's up, man? Good to see you. What's going on? Thanks for everything.
Real dry July.
Yeah.
I'm really thankful that we've been able to fall into this work, and we will continue to work here domestically. Ready to roll? Okay. There you go.
We feel very blessed and are so excited, and our youngest is already planning his sprinkler and slide party, and we're just really, really excited, but we are very, very, very grateful.
We already felt blessed for receiving the well, and then on top of that, the whole group came out here and doing the different mulching projects and painting projects and just taking some of those burdens off of us today. It just was a real blessing, and we appreciate it greatly.
Oh, look at that! So I can't wait to come back in like a year and see how effortless life feels to these kids relative to what it did.
Everybody deserves clean water, but today is the Schod family's day.